Hello students, I am Ms. Asika Patel. Welcome you all with the new session of English grammar. And today in this video we are going to learn present perfect continuous tense. Okay, in previous videos we have already discussed that if we are talking about the major tenses of any of the language, so total we have three main tenses. One is present tense, one is past tense, and third one, that is our future tense. Okay, and with the help of that main tenses we have the different tenses. So in earlier three videos we have already discussed about simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and today in this video we are going to learn the last tense from the main present tense, that is present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so as far as this tense is concerned, and when you read the heading or topic, then we have like total here present perfect and continuous, two tenses are together and we have to form the sentences with the help of present perfect continuous tense. See, it's very complicated in just speaking only, but as you go through the video it's very easy to form the negative, interrogative, and even the verb forms. Okay, like fill in the blanks. So it's very easy. So first of all the question is that in which condition we have to use present perfect continuous tense. So let's take a look about that. So first of all, used to talk of an action that started at some point of time in past, means any action that started at some place of time in the past, means any action that started at some point, means exit time period of a past, okay, but is still continuing, means the action started at perfect time, or we can say proper time in the past, and in present still it is continuing. So for that we have to use present perfect continuous tense, means we can say that since morning like he has been studying English. So that is what present perfect continuous tense means. The action started at some point or some time in the past, okay, and still it is continuing. So what you have to remember here, that is some point of time, but which point of time? So it indicate the past, okay, in the past, but still it is continuing, means in present also its effects are like we can feel the effects in the present. So two things you have to remember, the things that was already started at some place of time or some point of time in the past and still it is continuing in present. So for that kind of actions we have to use present perfect continuous tense. Okay, now some keywords are there, and with the help of that keyword you can easily come to know about present perfect continuous tense. So which keywords are there? So since plus time, but which time? So time of past. Then for plus time, again this time indicate the time of past. Then since when, means from since when you have been studying, so like that. So since when, that also shows the time, and how long, that also indicate time. So total here you have since plus time, for plus time, since when, and how long. These are the keywords to identify present perfect continuous tense. Now sentence formation. So see, we have present perfect. So in a previous video only we have already discussed about present perfect. So I already told to you that if we are talking about simple present tense, so we have do and does, means do stands for V1, that we can you know very well now that if the plural subject is there, so we have to use do, that is V1 or base form of the verb. Then does stands for singular, means V1 then S or ES as a prefix, so that is simple past tense. Now comes simple present continuous tense. So present tense, form of present tense are like is, am, are, and if you want to show any of the tense in a continuous form, that means you have to use the ing form, okay. And present perfect tense, so for that we have and has, that are the forms of to be. And if you want to show the tense as a perfect tense, that means you have to use V3, that is a past participle of the verb. Now here in this tense, see, you have present perfect. So you know very well here present perfect means we have and has. Okay, have and has as a present perfect. Then you have to use continuous tense. So have, has plus V3, that is what present perfect tense, but you have to show in a continuous form, so you cannot add V3 plus ing. So what you have to do, definitely you are right that if you want to show any of the tense in a continuous form, so definitely we have to put ing. But what's about these V3? So what you have to do, be we are using as a form of to be, so you have to change this be in V3. So what is the V3 of be? That is been. So instead of V3 here, you have to use a V3 form of be, that is been. So your sentence pattern is have or has plus been. So that shows present perfect, and ing, that shows continuous tense. So what is the sentence formation? Present perfect plus ing. So present perfect you know very well, have, has plus V3, but we have to put ing also. So we cannot put ing behind V3, so we have to give this tag V3 to been, that is been. Okay, to be main form be and V3 tag, that is been, and then we have to put ing. Okay, so this is the sentence formation of, we can say, present perfect continuous tense. Okay, then comes interrogative sentence. So definitely have, has, that is a form of to be that comes forward. Then comes subject, then come been and ing. Remember this thing, been and ing you have to put together. You cannot put like have, has, been, then subject and ing. No, have, has plus subject plus been plus ing, then extra words, and you are forming interrogative. So for interrogative you have to put question mark. Then comes a negative. So definitely have and has. I already told to you that been plus ing comes together. So you have to have, has plus direct after form of to be you have to add not, then comes been, then comes ing. Okay, so it's very easy. Don't need to worry about this thing. Present perfect means have, has, V3, but we cannot put, then we have to add ing also, continuous. So we cannot give ing tag after V3, so we have to change be into V3, that is been, and then what you have to add ing. So that is your, we can say, present perfect continuous tense. So let's check some examples. So first a sentence is like that, Karan has been practicing music for 5 years, means from last 5 years Karan has been practicing. So we can say this action of practicing music was like started in the past. Okay, that is last 5 years, means from last 5 years Karan has been practicing. So first of all we have to check the tense. So first of all see, has, then been plus ing. So has and been, that is the perfect present perfect tense, and here practice is a main verb and ing is given to you, means it is the continuous tense. So we can say it's a present perfect continuous tense, right? So first of all we will try to change into interrogative sentence. So how you have to form interrogative sentence? So definitely here also you have to follow the same pattern, that is cross. So has, why has comes? Because Karan, that is he category or third person singular, so with Karan we have to use has. So has come forward, so has, then comes subject, means we have to follow the cross pattern. So has Karan, then the whole sentence is as it is. So has Karan been practicing music for 5 years, and you are changing the simple sentence into interrogative sentence, so don't forget to put the question mark. So your answer is like, has Karan been practicing music for 5 years, means the action of practicing music started in the past. Okay, means 5 years back, and still it the practicing of music is we can say the thing, or we can say effect is, we can feel the effect in the present tense. Okay, in present. So for that we have to use present perfect continuous tense. Then you have to make it negative. So how you form? So Karan, so you have to use Karan, then comes a has, Then after form of to be, what you have to add? You have to add not. So Karan has not. Then the whole sentence is as it is, been practicing music for 5 years. Okay, then check the next one. We have been living here for the last 10 years. So see here also, 4 plus the time of past means from last 10 years the same action is going on. We can feel in present also that we are living here, means it was started at the some place or point of time in the past, means last 10 years, and even still continuing in present, living here. Okay, so let's try to make it interrogative. So first of all we will try to make it interrogative. So what come first? Have come first and then come subject. So have, subject we. So have we, then come been living here for the last 10 years. Then what comes? Then comes question mark. Okay, then we will make it negative. So what is the answer? We. Then form of to be, that is have. Then what we have to add? Not. Remember, after have you have to add not, then after you have to write been and all that thing. So we have not been living here for the last 10 years. Right, it's very easy, no need to worry about anything. What you have to remember, first comes have or has, then subject, then whole sentence is as it is. And here also after have and has, what you have to add? Not. Okay, then sometimes in the exam verb forms are given, means the blanks are given and the title is like that, fill in the blanks with the present perfect continuous tense. So see, the children blank TV all evening. So as far as these blanks are concerned, first of all you have to check the subject. Right now we are only talking about the active voice only. Okay, in the later videos we will definitely going to discuss about passive voice, but here all the blanks are in active, so no need to worry about thing. So first of all let's check. We have to fill in the blanks with the present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so first of all the children. So now we have two conditions. The condition is first we have to put have or has, and when plural form is there, that means you have to use has, exception is I, and when the subject is singular, so you have to use has. Okay, now the children. So the children is singular, plural, definitely your answer is right. Children we can consider in the plural form. So with children what first comes? So have. Okay, have. Now you know very well that have or has plus V3. Okay, that is the present perfect tense, but we have to put in a continuous form, so we have to add ing. So we cannot use this V3, but this tag of V3 we have to give to be, and V3 we have to change, so the answer is been. So the children then have, then been. So the children have been, then watch. So what is we have to make it in a continuous tense. So watch, then we have to add ing. So the children have been watching TV all evening, means that action started in the some point of time in the past, and still we can feel that action continuing. So the children have been watching TV all evening. Next one, I blank for 2 hours. Okay, now 4 plus time means 4 plus time of past, means it was it started in the past, and in present also we feel that effect. So with I what comes first? So with I we have to use have. I is singular, but exception we have to use have. Then we have to form perfect continuous. So perfect tense, so we have to use the perfect form of be. So I have been. And what is the ing form of read? So the ing form of read is reading. So I have been reading for 2 hours. Right, next one. The grass is wet. Blanket blank raining So these type of questions will be there in exam. So no need to worry about the same thing, because here see we have interrogative sentence because we have question mark here. So what you have to do, first you have to check eat. So with eat what comes, have or has. So definitely the answer is has. Now the question is that, so first what you have to use, has. Then see, after has directly we have subject. So here also we have pronoun it. So when we have to put been and ing, so been and ing you have to put in the another blank. So has it, then been and rain. So ing form of rain is rainy. Don't get confused in it. Blank, then subject and blank. So first you have to use has or have. Okay, then a form of verb is given, or we can say pronoun is there. Then after in the second blank you have to use been plus ing. Then I blank books on palmistry. So with I what you have to use, have. Then V3. So B V3 we have to convert in been and read. So what is ing form of read? That is reading. So I have been reading books on palmistry. Generally in these tense you have the blanks only. Okay. Manish and Kiran played badminton for a long time. So see here, for and a long time means started in the past and continuously we can feel that effect in the present. Now sometimes what happened that we are hurry in the exam. And as you see Kiran here, definitely you are going to put has, but don't be too much hurry. See, Manish and Kiran means two person are there. So two person are there, that means the answer is have. But as you only see Kiran here, so definitely the answer is has. But what is the question? See, Manish and Kiran means two people are here. So definitely it comes in a plural form. Okay, so your answer is have. So Manish and Kiran have then been and play. So playing. As you only see Kiran, so your answer is has been playing. But the correct sentence is Manish and Kiran. So Manish plus Kiran, so plural form. So the answer is have been and playing. Okay. So this is your present perfect continuous tense. I hope it is clear which are the keywords. Since plus time means past time, then for plus time, since when and how long. And I already told to you that present perfect means have or has plus V3, but we want to show in a continuous form, so ing. So these V3 we have to change, so be and V3, so been. So your sentence formation is have has plus been plus ing. I hope it is clear to you, but still you have any doubts, so you can write in comment box. So I'll try to solve your doubts. And if you like the video, then like it, share with your other friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.